Hey everyone, welcome to Logic Lift, where we keep it simple and make programming easy for everyone. This is my first video and I am super excited to have you here. If you are new to programming or just starting with Swift, you are in the right place. Today we are solving a fun and classic problem called Fizz Buzz, a great way to learn about loops, conditions, and logic in Swift. Let's get started, and as always, we will keep it simple. Chapter 1. What is an algorithmic problem? Let's quickly understand what an algorithmic problem is. It's give it's like giving a set of instructions to computer to solve a specific task. For example, sorting numbers from smallest to largest. In this video, we will solve a problem that's often asked in coding interviews. FizzBuzz, but in a very easy and understandable way. What is FizzBuzz? FizzBuzz is a small but powerful problem. Imagine you have a list of numbers from 1 to 10. For each number, if it's divisible by 3, you say Fizz. If it's divisible by 5, you say Buzz. If it's divisible by both, you say FizzBuzz. Step 1. Starting off Swift coding Xcode playground. You can choose Xcode playground. I am choosing VS Code platform because it's easy and reliable. So open VS Code and create a file. Create new file dot Swift format. Enter. Here, created a file. Let's create an error. For example, let equal to bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, etc. Here, look at here. Here 3 is Fizz and 5 is Buzz. Open Xcode. If we add for loop for checking Fizz for num number curly bracket condition for checking if condition for checking Buzz or if Fizz condition for checking Fizz if number modulus symbol it's divisible by 3 equal to 0. We can get remainder will be 0. Then print is Fizz. We print just a just number. If it's compiled or run, click it here, uncode. There is an error for a num in number. Here is output will be get all Fizz. Here 3 is Fizz because 3 is divisible by 3. 6 is Fizz because 6 is divisible by 6. Now we are checking for 5 as well and printing Buzz where it matches. Just add a one more condition here. Else if condition number is 5 equal to 0, remainder equal to 0, then output print print the num bus. Then we can run it. Here it is 5 is bus. We want to expand its array 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. As you wish, we can add more elements here. Then if we run code, if we try to run code, then we can get all the numbers is this. It fits. Fits satisfied conditions here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And thus are satisfied conditions are 5, 10, and 15. Step 5, handle both Fizz and Buzz together. For that, we want to add more condition. We want to change here this condition is else conditions, and we want to add here one more condition. If num modulus 3 equal to 0 ampersand ampersand num modulus symbol for 5 equal to it's if it both condition is satisfied, Fizz and FizzBuzz. We want to add here quotation mark add slash num slash num print this FizzBuzz. Both conditions will be satisfied. If both conditions are satisfied, then print FizzBuzz. 15 are both conditions. 15 are divisible by 3 and divisible by 5. Then it is called FizzBuzz. Next, I want to give a bonus optimization tip. In this condition, num where both the conditions are checked. If we want to replace it, we want to remove this condition and just add num model symbol is divisible by 50. Then it is called FizzBuzz. 15 also divisible by 3 and divisible by 5. We can directly substitute. We can directly check this condition. Num is divisible by 15 equal to 0, then it is called FizzBuzz. Quick recap. Here's what we did today on Logic Lift. Created a number array, used a loop to go through the numbers, added a if else condition to check for FizzBuzz and FizzBuzz, and optimized it by checking for it 15 first, simple, plain, and cleaner friendly. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Logic Lift, where we always keep it simple. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. I would like to hear what you want me to cover next. Until next time, happy coding and stay curious. Thank you.